Meaning of enclose.
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 Enclose. Enclose means to surround or contain something completely. It can refer to enclosing something physical such as a letter in an envelope, or something abstract like enclosing someone in a feeling of warmth or security. When something is enclosed, it is fully contained within the surrounding object or space, and cannot escape or be accessed from outside. For example, a fence encloses a garden, protecting it from animals and trespassers. In general, enclose implies a sense of protection and containment.